Right on, Ashford Street, head northbound.
Hey, adrenaline junkies. Welcome to Mind Rush, where adrenaline meets pure excitement. Get ready to dive into heart-pounding chases, jaw-dropping action, and the most thrilling moments caught on camera. You're in the right place if you're looking for the ultimate rush. Let's get your heart racing.
Tasha had managed to undo her seatbelt and slip out of one of her handcuffs, then squeeze through the unlocked partition window into the front seat. And guess what was sitting in the ignition?
Yeah, about that. God dang! Hey! God, shit. What the hell?
After about 10 minutes of erratic driving and near crashes, an officer performs a successful pit maneuver on Tasha's vehicle, and the devastating moment of impact was captured on the dash cam of what was now Tasha's patrol car.
Just bust no weapons on him. Bust the window out. Bust the window out.
Where's the window punch? Window punch! Window punch! Window punch! Window punch! Cover, cover! Cover, I got covered!
Tasha was then arrested again and transported to the police station without further incident, and it's a good thing they stopped her as quickly as they did before she could figure out how to unlatch the holstered shotgun that was inside of the patrol car.
Six right behind you. 86, we're coming to a stop here.
10-4, Sheriff 86. Clear ahead. He's rolling! We're just advising that we had a positive hit on spike. The vehicle's coming to a stop.
Just when the officers thought Courtney had given up, he sped off once again, but this time with severely damaged tires, so the officers took the opportunity to box him in.
Go for it.
As the officers close in on the vehicle, Courtney gulps down a lukewarm bottle of whiskey and ignores their commands to get out of the car, so the officers proceed to make their way into the vehicle.
Tried to keep the dog right here by tapping on the window.
Yep. Go for it. Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
Put your hands up. Crawl across the car for me. No. Crawl across to me.
Good shot. Very good shot. Ready? Hands up.
Dude, I'm not ready. You're gonna get tased if you don't get out of the car. Stop for a second. Hey,
Keep your hands up.
come on, guys. Come on, guys. I promise. Get out of the car and get tased. I'm not gonna touch you. Get out of the car. Okay.
Coming out this way.
Face running back. Face running back.
Car's clear. Just keep the dog in there if you can. Obviously, we don't want to.
Plumber's just serious.
Can I see him? Before I go to the
Dog's fine, dude.
I know he is. The dog is fine, okay?
What's that belt buckle? Anything on that?
Let me see. I'm not right. I told you. I told him I wasn't right.
Yeah.
I told him.
Alright, he just slowed up with making a U-turn for the giver. Then U-turn and climb road back westbound.
The officer attempted to get in close enough to pit the vehicle, but the suspect managed to evade him and speed away. However, their plan began to fall apart when their vehicle started visibly falling to pieces. Are they agree on all those plates for them?
631 Simon Riverbend.
Your job reaches the entranceway deal with the Cook Stadium. Your left, Mount Street, or southbound.
Get out.
Back on that